So guys, another piece of vinyl I removed was the chrome delete around the windows. So I want to share with you how that looks after removing it. Same thing with all the other vinyl. It does a great job protecting it, because this chrome here, if you didn't cover it, it gets water spots pretty quickly. And if you live somewhere where it's hot a lot, it can etch it, and then it's kind of a pain to get it out. But here, it's probably the easiest vinyl to take off on the whole car that I've done is this stuff. Once you get it started, it peels right off. But it does a good job of sticking on there too. But as you can see here, no damage, no marks. It all came off in one piece very easily. So if you want to do that or it gets damaged, and you need to pull the rest of it off and redo it, it's very quick to do. No issues whatsoever. Like I said, it's probably the easiest thing to take off as far as vinyl goes. So nothing exciting. Just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're thinking about maybe switching up, doing matte black or changing colors, whatever, so easy to do. You know, installing it a little bit harder, takes a little bit more time, you know, to get it right and tuck it and all that kind of stuff, but fairly easy to really change the look and to black it all out if that's what you guys are going for. And then same with this kind of stuff. Okay? So very quick, easy to do. If you want to remove it, you can easily replace it. No big deal, no damage. Hope everyone's doing good, being safe out there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.